Hey guys, and welcome. I'm just going to show you what it looks like to measure and size your nails. You get your free sizing kit that looks like this, okay? This is the short coffin. I do have different sizes that's available, even the long coffin, and like I said, different sizes when you do choose the free size nail sizing kit. Right now, I am shipping out the short and the long coffins, but if you do require a particular shape for the trial size or for the free size, then let me know. And then that way you can order the shape that you want and I will give you per that size. It's very important because a short coffin is going to fit different than a long coffin and therefore, okay? So I'm going to show you what these nails look like. They're going to come from 0 to the number 9. And you just go from there and write down which one fits best on each hand. Make sure you measure the left and the right hand because each measurements could be different per your nail. Okay, so I'm going to just show you guys what it looks like. I already fit mine's because I'm already in the process of creating my nail right now. So just to show you, these are my nails, okay? I have not buffered or cleaned my nails or do anything like that. I mean, my hands are clean. But right now I am just about to show you what it looks like for sizing. This is my size that I measured for my thumb already. This is what my thumb looks like. And I'm going to slide it on. And as you see, there is no hanging from the side. You know, if you go like this, that means it's not really a good nail. It's not the size for you. But if you go like this, and I can see on both sides it's like that, that's a awesome fit. And that is with the long coffin. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the other nail. Again, this nail seems to be a little big. You see here's how it's hanging pretty much on both sides. So this nail is not a good fit for me on my index finger. So let's try to find what nail is good for my index finger. So this is my index finger and perfect fit on both sides, okay? That is for my index finger. And then, like I said, your numbers of the nails will be measured already. This is a size 4 for my index finger, size 0 for my thumb. So now let's try the other finger. So we know that's a 0, this is a 4. Another great fit. And again, guys, I already pre-fit my nails just to show you what it looks like. And at the bottom of each nail, it tells you the number. This is the number 2. So 0, 4, and 2, okay? Of course, as you see the numbers go down, that means your nail bit's a little smaller. Okay, this nail is a little bit more wider than the other nails, and usually it happens to me a lot, but this is also a number 2. And then pinkies. Pinkies are normally, different sizes as well. This depends on your nail size. But as you see here, perfect fit. So when I get my press-on nails and I actually press these on, it's going to be great. So, guys, I mean, as you see with my nails, I have 0, 4, 2, 2, and 8. So, also, you can use sometimes with long, sometimes 8 or 7s are perfect. A lot of people, even with this finger here, could be a 2 or sometimes easily a 4. And just depends. Size large is around the numbers that I'm showing you guys now that I just measured. So a size large can vary between those. Okay, so even if you order your free size nail sizing kit, if you decide to, get a pack of nails, go for it. Most of my sizes are the sizes that you see that I measured, and they're from medium to long, medium to large, okay, sizes. And then from there, you will still get the free size nail kit, measure your nails. You might be close enough to the nail pack that you bought already. And with my nails, guys, you can choose 10 set of nails or 20 set of nails, just depending, how many nails that you want. Most people who get them customized will only get 10, but if you want 20 made, I can make 20 customizable nails for you. I really hope this video was helpful, And I look forward to seeing you guys press it on with me very soon. Please make sure you visit us again at www.pressonwith.us. I look forward to seeing you soon.